Tonight, we're tracking two breaking news stories. The disaster unfolding in the southeast right now, from deadly flooding after Hurricane Helene.
When disaster strikes, nature can either be your greatest enemy or your most powerful ally. And sometimes the simplest things, like the rocks beneath your feet, are what stand between survival and danger. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, where we explore the essential tools and knowledge to keep you ready for anything that comes your way. Today, we're diving into an often overlooked survival tool: rocks. Yes, rocks. These ancient, natural resources have been vital for human survival for thousands of years. And in a survival situation, they could be one of the most valuable things around you. Let's take a closer look at all the uses that can come from rocks in survival scenarios. Rocks have far more uses than most people realize. Here are 10 practical ways you can use rocks in a survival setting. Building shelters. Rocks provide solid foundations for shelter structures, especially when wood is limited or unstable. Fire starters. Certain rocks, like flint, can be struck against steel to create sparks, giving you the ability to start a fire. An absolute must for warmth and cooking. Tools and weapons. Sharpened stones can become knives or spearheads for hunting and protection. Water filtration. By layering flat stones with sand and charcoal, you can create a rudimentary water filter. Cooking stones. Heated rocks can be used to cook food or boil water when pots and pans aren't available. Signal for help. In the wilderness, shiny or reflective stones can help signal rescue teams from a distance. Gardening aid. Use rocks to create boundaries or microclimates that help protect your crops from wind and erosion. Trapping. Stones can serve as anchors for snares or traps when hunting small game. Ground protection. Lay down rocks to prevent soil erosion around your campsite or homestead. Improvised hammer. In a pinch, a sturdy rock can act as a hammer for driving stakes or breaking open tough materials. But here's a survival hack that most preppers don't even know. Certain types of rocks can be used to generate small amounts of electricity. Primitive batteries can be made using specific mineral-rich stones combined with acids, offering you a way to charge low-energy devices when off-grid. Now that you know how rocks can be such versatile survival tools, let's take things a step further. What if I told you that the plants around you also hold life-saving potential? In our next video, we'll explore natural first aid, using plants and herbs for healing, where we'll show you how to use common plants to treat injuries, infections, and more. And if you're new to the channel or missed our previous videos, don't forget to check out Building an Off-Grid Cabin, Don't Depend on Our Electrical Grid, and Going Off-Grid for more essential survival knowledge. Thanks for joining us on the Prepper's Path today. If you found this information helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay prepared, stay vigilant, and stay safe. See you in the next video.